Let me show you how to make scallion oil noodles with your air fryer. No splatter, no stovetop mess, just crispy shallots and juicy noodles in minutes. Toast chopped scallions with a spoon of oil and an air fryer bowl at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Those greens transform into golden, fragrant crisps. The scent alone is worth it. Mix the hot scallion oil with 1 spoon of soy sauce, half spoon of dark soy, half spoon of oyster sauce, and a pinch of sugar for that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Toast with freshly boiled noodles and watch each strand get coated in that aromatic oil. The air fryer's dry heat intensifies the scallion flavor better than any pan coat. One bite of those crispy shallot bites against the chewy noodles and you will never boil plain pasta again.